Guys, Miguel here with another Milwaukee Home Depot deal at the Home Depot right now. Just bought this from their Black Friday section. This is kit 266322RH. It is the impact, the high torque impact and ratchet. Comes in a kit with a charger that charges both M12 and the m18 battery. This one comes with a 3 amp battery for the impact. That's a m18, and then the ratchet comes with a 1.5 amp battery. My buddy missed out last year on it. I'm glad that they had the same deal again this year, so that's his kit. Basically this is what I have from last year. That's the actual impact right there. A little bit abused on this one, and the ratchet is even more abused, but they work really well. Me and my other friend had our Milwaukee kits 1 year before, and my other buddy now is gonna have his Milwaukee kit. He can be cool as well. $199 at Home Depot. Get them while they last. I think they only come out during Black Friday. So this is the Milwaukee Kit. That's what the box looks like right there. And 199 bucks, man, you can't beat it.